Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. Indian Air Force is set to retire its iconic MiG-21 fighter jets in September 2025. Comes under GS3 internal security, marking the end of an era, intensifying concerns over India's declined squadron strength, delays in the induction of new aircraft like LCA Mk-1A. MiG-21 jets in service since 1963 to be retired in September 2025. A formal ceremony at Chandigarh. IAF weighs 83 LCA Mk1A fighters under 48,000 crore contract with zero deliveries so far due to engine delays. MiG-21s have served in major conflicts 1965, 1971, 1999 Kargil War and 2019 Balkot aerial engagement. MiG-21 is a supersonic fighter jet aircraft developed by Soviet Union, widely used for its speed, agility, and combat capabilities. It is supersonic fighter aircraft. First inducted into IAF in 1963, India's Hindustan Aeronautical Limited built 657 MiG-21s under a license that was granted by Russia. Missing link in India's battery waste management comes under GS3 environment. As India's electric vehicle and renewable energy sector expand rapidly, lithium battery wastage is emerging as a serious environmental and economic challenge, necessitating reforms in battery recycling and extended producer responsibility regime. Growing demand. India's lithium battery demand is projected to grow from 4 gigawatt hour to 139 gigawatt hour by 2035, results in higher waste generation. Regulatory framework is needed. Electric vehicles, types of electric vehicles: battery electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, hybrid electric vehicles, use of an electric motor and gasoline engine. Election Commission of India faces mounting allegation of partially and inefficiency. Partiality and inefficiency comes under GS2 Polity and Governance. Rahul Gandhi publicly accused Election Commission of India of discrepancies in 2024 Lok Sabha election and plans to reveal more. Past leaders, including Narendra Modi as Gujarat CM, have criticized the Election Commission of India functioning. In Bihar, Tejaswini Yadav allegedly the omission of his name from draft electoral roll. Concerns raised about Election Commission of India handling voter rolls, election scheduling, and code reform enforcement. Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India is a permanent independent constitutional authority established under Article 324 of Indian Constitution. Constitutional foundation, permanent and independent body. Election Commission of India is a permanent and independent constitutional body established under Article 324 of Indian Constitution. Primary role: Election Commission is responsible for conducting election to the Parliament, State Legislature, and offices of President and Vice President of India. Constitutional provision were Article 324, 325, 326, 7, 8, 9. Indian Railways has commissioned 51.38 kilometer railway line to Serang in Mizoram. Economy: Serang Railway 51.38 kilometer commissioned in 2025, 18 kilometer short of the Mizoram capital. Important: Colored multimodal transit project, gauge conversion strategy. First, Indian Railways established in 1853. The country's first train journey covered 21 miles between Bombay and Thane. India has fourth largest railway network in the world, following US and China. It contributed approximately 1.5% to the GDP. Right to repair must include right to remember. Indian government accepted recommendations of repairability index and introduced incentives for formal e-waste recycling. Policy shifted e-waste management. New e-waste rules include minimum payments to incentivize formal recycling. Global context: India is the third largest e-waste producer globally, generating over 1.6 million tons in 2021-22. Repairability index, criteria for rating products. Score 1, high risk of damage. Score 5, easy to repair, categorized. Please practice mark question. Thank you.